Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Dear students, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं we are doing 2 digits number और आप अब तक नंबर 19 तक 2 digits number मुकम्मल कर चुके हैं. So let's have a quick revision. Start from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. What comes after 19? 20. Yes, very good students. Today we will going to learn about number 20 and how number 20 look like. Let's see the page number 32. Let's trace the number with your fingers. Number 2 and number 0 is going to make number 20. Now let's see this picture. We see 20 buttons. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Very good. Today we learn about number 20. Very nice students.